Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. So I have a new wallet here. This time it is from Lost Dutchman Leather, and it's going to be the Big Fin. And they did send this out to the channel for us to take a look at no cost to me. And I want to thank them for that. I greatly appreciate it. And I've been carrying this around for the last week or so, and I think I may be in love. I didn't think I was going to like such a large wallet, but really it's not as all that large. It's just a little bit bigger than what I'm normally used to. But let's take a look at what's inside the box. And the first thing that we come across is one of their keychains. This is brass hardware as well as the same leather as the wallet. It's going to be full grain American cowhide leather, and it is in the brown. So very, very sexy, very beautiful looking keychain here. I love brass. But we're not here for the keychain, we are here for the wallet. And here she is, the Big Fin from the Lost Dutchman Leather. And it may be patinaing already, I can't tell. But you will see some blemishes because I have been carrying this around in my pocket for the last week or so. And it's just going to add that much more character to it. But it is 100% made in the United States. Hand saddle stitched, and that is with a polymer waxed and braided durable tiger thread. And as you can see, the threading right there, it is all hand stitched. That is awesome. Right in Arizona. So again, this is going to be a full grain American cowhide leather. And we do get a lifetime warranty. And the way they word it, it is a lifetime warranty on the stitching. I mean, leather is leather. It's going to hold up. If it doesn't, it's completely abused, I would imagine. But yeah, lifetime warranty. And we're going to take a look at the inside here. I like that. We can have our cash. And it just folds right in there. That's great. I like that. So then we have a bunch of cards in here. I'm not even quite sure how many cards I have. Let's see, I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus the one in the easy access pocket here. So we do have 3 compartments. Front compartment. Middle, then back. It does hold a ridiculous amount of cards. I think it could hold even more, but I don't need any more than that. It's beautiful. I love that. So originally I was coming from this right here. As you can see, there is a big size difference. But really, this is about the size of a normal men's wallet. This is kind of minimalist. And I wasn't sure I was going to like the size of this, but it fits perfectly in my front pocket. It's not fighting for space with anything else in my pocket. And it just works for me, and I can't wait to see how well it patinas. If you want to see a good example of how well it patinas, go to their website and take a look at this wallet. There's a beautiful picture of this wallet here that's been well loved. Look at that stitching. Very nice. I will leave links down in the description to their website, or you could just look at this here. So I want to thank Lost Dutchman Leather for sending this out to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, Nate. I also appreciate you stopping in and checking out this video. And if you're at all inclined to support this channel, the best thing you could do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day. And I'll see you next time.